hold any leadership position in any political party?
No.
Have you ever been adversely mentioned in any integrity-related report or investigation?
No, Honorable Chair.
What is your net worth in terms of wealth?
Okay. So my net worth is a combination of mine and my husband, and it's 455,845,320.
You and your husband?
Yes.
Honorable members,
That is Mr. Speaker.
Yes?
That is the Speaker. Mr. Speaker. I think because
yes, Caleb.
Yeah, because this is the House of Records, so I propose you divide into two.
Chairman, it is not necessary to be divided into two. It can be another way.
Don't break families.
Yeah.
If they own it jointly, if there's a dispute, the courts will decide. You said how much?
455,845,320. Yes. 320.
Okay. Millions.
Yeah.
Yes. Honorable members, the nominee, according to the clerk, has submitted her papers and are all in order. 7 memoranda were received from various people, and in her written response, she answered all of them. You are now released. Yes? Yes. Yes. You are now released to go back with your original documents, which will be given to you by the sergeant behind you. And have a good day.
Thank you. I'd like to again thank His Excellency the President